Hi everyone, today we're here to do the MuseS S unboxing. So do you want to tell us the behind story of how you got this?
So I went to London, Ontario, all the way to Western University in a bus, 3 hours, met up with my friends and had fun, and then met up with the person to get a brand new MuseS S, where, and then, like after having some fun going out, I came back, and then here I am with a brand new MuseS S.
Okay, so we'll be unboxing this right now.
Yes. So, do you guys have a knife? Do you guys have a scissors or something, a pen?
Actually, can you just?
Yeah, my
start
nails
it
aren't long.
Oh yeah. I fortunately keep my nails long enough
his
to.
are.
I keep my nails long enough to do this kind of stuff, so that I don't have to always reach for my pliers.
I think his nails got it.
There you go.
Okay, yeah. So, here we go. Brand new MuseS S. Unboxing. So we're gonna put it on top of here, I guess.
Yes.
And then we're just gonna open it. So we're gonna see what's inside. So let's open this.
It's a meta box. It's a box of boxes.
It's a box of boxes here. So we have this first, second box. We have two boxes. So I don't know what.
One of them
there
is
is.
the band, and one of them is the pod.
So yeah, let's just try to open one of them and see what we got here. I think this is the band.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna yank it open. Yes. And so we have a brand new band
Wow.
for Muse.
That's beautiful.
And then we're going to the pod. And then I'm gonna yank it open again. Try to pull. Yes. And then we have the pod, I believe. Let's see. Wow. We have this getting started.
A little
Wow.
guide to getting started. A little instruction manual.
Instruction, pretty cool. So I guess I can read this. I have a pod. I guess this is a charger. USB connects to the band. So we can take it out. I think I can just rip it open. Make sure it doesn't fall. And so I have to tie it up. So yeah,
Do you up the band?
I think it's magnetic. Wow, it's cool. I don't even
Yes.
have to tie it up. That's pretty cool. I have this, I have the band, and then let me just see if I can put this here. So this looks pretty easy. So I guess I'm not reading anything, but it's magnetic, I guess.
It's magnetic, and the light poles repel, so it forces you to put it on correctly. If you try to put it on backwards, it'll repel.
Okay, cool. So here, it seems this is correct. And I'm gonna put it on my head.
Yeah.
I hope to do some sleep analysis to see if I'm having good sleep. School gets tough, so I don't know if I'm having proper sleep, so it'll help me see if I'm having proper sleep.
You
And
put it on upside down.
is it upside down? Okay.
Yeah, you're just gonna
First
put it on
time,
the other way.
beginner's rookie's mistake. So
No,
we're
no,
gonna.
no, it's fine. Like you just have to put the band right.
Oh, the band right. Okay, yeah, I was wearing it upside down, but this is all good. Make sure your hair is out, but it doesn't matter. It's pretty comfortable. I think I can just sleep with this right now.
Yeah.
And yeah, and see.
You could also do before and after cold water swim.
Yeah, and do some meditation as well.
Ah.
Like mental health, keeping healthy.
All right.
Yay.
Yes.
Yes, I hope.